Attic bypass pest exclusion requires sealing gaps with foam and protecting those repairs with metal so rodents cannot re-enter while also stopping heat loss. Start by identifying common bypass locations such as soffit to fascia gaps, attic scuttle perimeters, plumbing and electrical penetrations, and gaps around chimneys and recessed lights. Use closed-cell spray foam for air sealing because it provides a rigid, moisture-resistant, and high-insulating barrier that also resists pest access better than open-cell foam. Apply foam in thin lifts so it expands correctly, and trim the cured foam flush to surrounding framing to create a neat surface for metal plate installation. Cut galvanized or stainless steel plates to overlap the sealed area by at least 1 inch on all sides and fasten with corrosion-resistant screws into framing so rodents cannot pry edges. For long, linear gaps under rafters or at the soffit, install 2 layers of 90 by 90 mesh or rigid metal flashing backed by foam to maintain ventilation pathways while blocking pest entry. Always keep attic ventilation intact by sealing bypasses only and not blocking soffit vents. If you need to cover a vent temporarily while sealing, replace or restore equivalent net-free area with baffles or continuous vent chutes. The first common mistake is relying on open-cell foam because it compresses and allows animals to tunnel. Correct that by using closed-cell, foam-rated for structural use and stopping the foam short of final trim so you can attach metal plates. The second mistake is failing to overlap protective metal far enough, which lets rodents work at the joint. Remedy this by extending plates at least 1 inch and using proper fasteners into solid framing rather than just the sheathing. The third issue is unintentionally blocking attic ventilation when sealing bypasses, which causes moisture and insulation performance problems. Avoid that by planning ventilation before work, using vent chutes or baffles where soffit channels exist, and verifying that inlet and outlet vents remain unobstructed after sealing. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find new work related to projects like attic bypass pest exclusion. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share real-world tips, product experiences, and step-by-step advice for do-it-yourself and contractor approaches.